unboxing time. Apple Pencil and also a case. Anyways, which one should we do first? I mean, my mom got to talk about it, so I feel like I'm going. So we ended up with the pencil. Yeah. Alright. Bop. Time to peel plastic off. I need to sit down. Time to peel plastic. Okay. Actually, this time, hopefully. Perfect. Now the other side. Perfect. Yeah. Opening. Unboxing. Post the part 2 probably. I can't get it open. That's open. I don't know if I've tried this or not, so someone help.